Namaste all of you. Myself yoga teacher Harvi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Harvi Sharma. So today we do the practice for the sun salutation. So आज हम sun salutation की practice करेंगे. Before start the practice, stand at top of the mat. Mat के top में आपको खड़ा होना है. From here, keep your both feet together. Both arms should be shoulder level. Both hands up. Inhale. Exhale, bring your both palms almost in front of the chest. One more time. Inhale, both hands up, tie your both hands toward the sky. And come in the Uttanasana pose. Exhale, lengthen your spine, keep charge of tailbone. Both arms should be straight. Look front side. From here you can hold your ankles, but make sure both arms should be straight. Both legs should be straight. Keep charge of tailbone. Look front side. Stay for a few seconds more. From here, keep your both palms side of your legs. Little bend your legs. From here, come in the Ashu Sanchalanasana. From here, again come in the mountain pose. Bring your both feet together behind side, but make sure try to drop your heel. Keep charge your tailbone. Both arms should be straight and you can try to touch your head. From here, come in the bed position. From here, change your position of your legs and come in the cobra pose. Look front side and look upward. Again come in the downward facing dog. From here, keep your right leg between both arms and look front side. From here, bring your left leg with the right leg. Hold your both ankles. Again come in the Uttanasana and bring your both palms namaste. Namaste all of you. Myself yoga teacher Harvi Sharma. Namaste all of you. Myself yoga teacher Harvi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Harvi Sharma. So today we do the practice for the sun salutation. आज हम sun salutation की practice करेंगे. Before we start the practice, firstly stand at top of the mat. Mat के top side में आपको head side में आपको खड़ा होना है. From here you can keep your both palm in front of. Namaste all of you. Myself yoga teacher Harvi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Harvi Sharma. So today we do the practice for the sun salutation. So before we start the sun salutation, stand top of the mat. In this position, make sure your both feet should be together. If you have more big challenge, you can make little gap between both legs. आप थोड़ा gap भी कर सकते हैं. This is depend totally on your flexibility or your practice. Both hands shoulder level. Inhale. Both hands up. Bring both palms namaste in front of the chest. Open your shoulders. Relax your shoulders. From here, deeply inhale. Rise your both hands up and come in the Uttanasana position. Inhale and exhale. Lengthen your both arms and little bend. Exhale. Both arms should be straight. Both legs should be straight. Hold your both ankles. Keep charge of tailbone. Look front side and stay for 3 seconds more. From here, little bend your both knees. Keep your both palms side of your feet. From here, keep your right leg behind side and come in the Ashu Sanchalanasana. From here, left leg back side and try to drop your both heels and come in the mountain pose. In the mountain pose, or we can say downward facing dog, both arms should be straight. Keep charge your tailbone, lengthen your arms, lengthen your spine, and try to touch your head. From here, come in the push-up position in the chaturanga. Here, from here change the foot position and come in the upward facing dog. Look upward toward the ceiling. Again, come in the downward facing dog. From here, right leg up. Keep your right leg between both arms. From here, again, keep your left leg with the right leg. You can hold your both ankles. Keep charge your tailbone. Inhale, exhale. Both arms should be front side. And come in the Uttanasana. Inhale and exhale. And come in the on position. Deeply inhale, exhale, depend on breathing continuous. Now we do the another legs. Same sequence. Both hands up, upward side, come in the Uttanasana, little bend. Come in the little forward bend, half forward bend. From here, both legs will be straight. Spine should be lengthened. Keep your arms on the level. Keep charge of tailbone. From here, again hold your ankles and little bend your both legs. From here, left leg behind side. You can drop your palms and come in the mountain pose. In the mountain pose, both hands should be straight. Try to drop your heels. Try to touch your head. Come in the push-up position in the chaturanga. Come in the upward facing dog. Look toward the ceiling. Again, come in the downward facing dog. From here, left leg between both arms. Look front side and bring your right leg front side. Hold your both ankles, keep charge your tailbone. Lengthen your spine, lengthen your neck. Both legs should be straight. Both hands front side. Come in the Uttanasana and come in the on position. So guys, this is the sequence for the sun salutation. So now I change some little sequence. So इसके अंदर कुछ वेरिएशन है. So I am showing you. Say, bring your both legs on the top of the mat. Both arms should be shoulder level. Both arms up. Bring your both palm and namaste in front of the chest. Again, inhale, both hands up. Both legs should be straight and little bend. Exhale, forward bend. From here, next step, try to hold your both elbows. Do maximum. Again, keep your both palm side of your both feet. From here, lift your right leg. Keep your right leg straight. From here, right hand up, look upside, change your hands, left side, again come in the downward facing dog, keep charge of tailbone maximum, drop your heels, lengthen your spine, lengthen your arms, and try to touch your head. From here, again come in the chaturanga. From here, change the position of your feet and come in the upward facing dog. Again, come in the downward facing dog. Again, right leg between both arms, left leg front side. Again, hold your elbows. Come in the half forward bend. Again, Hastottanasana, both hands up. And come in the on position. This is the half seconds. Now we do on the other side. From here, deeply inhale, exhale, breathing continuous. One more time, deeply inhale, both hands up. Lengthen your spine, both arms should be straight. From here, make sure both legs should be straight. Little bend from the upper body. Both hands up, inhale and exhale. Coming the forward bend, lengthen your arms, lengthen your spine. Hold your both elbows. Keep your both palm side of your feet. Now this time, left leg back side. Come in the Asya Sandalanasana. Change the position of your right hand, look upside. And switch your hands and look the left hand side. From here again, come in the downward facing dog. From here, come in the chaturanga or bend position and come in the upward facing dog. From here again, come in the downward facing dog. Next time, keep your left leg between both arms. Now this time, bring your right leg with the left leg in the Padhastasana. Bring your both arm front side and come in the Hastottanasana position. And come in the Namaste Mudra. So deeply inhale, exhale, breathing continuous. Relax your breath. Deeply inhale, exhalation, continuous breathing. So guys, this is the sequence for the sun salutation. There are lot of variations in this sun salutation. So I will show you in the next video. I hope you can understand easily and you can do it. And wait for my next video. So one request to all of you, which persons are new on this channel, please subscribe my channel and share and also comment and like and also press the bell icon button, because when I upload any video, so firstly you can get notification. So thank you all of you and wait for my next video.